Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore 529 plan distributions in Fidelity for tax reporting. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring 529 plan distributions in Fidelity for tax reporting, log in to your Fidelity account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab located in the main menu. Under the Accounts tab, select Investment Accounts to view your accounts. Locate your 529 plan account from the list and click on it to access the account details. In the Account Overview, look for the Transactions or Activity section. Click on Transactions to see a ledger of all distributions made from your 529 plan. Find the specific distribution you wish to restore for tax reporting. Once you locate the desired distribution, click on it to view additional details. Check for any option labeled Restore or Adjust Distribution in the transaction details. Follow the prompts provided to initiate the restoration process. You may need to enter specific information to clarify the tax implications of the distribution. Be sure to double-check all entries for accuracy before submitting. Once complete, click Submit to finalize the restoration request. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation of the transaction. Keep an eye on your email for any further communication from Fidelity regarding the restoration. It may take a few business days for the changes to reflect in your account. Once updated, you should see the restored distribution reflected in your 529 plan account. For additional questions, consider reaching out to Fidelity's customer service for assistance. Your restored 529 plan distribution is now ready for tax reporting purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.